Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put square shape in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, go to a blank page. Now we want to insert square shape. Go to the tools section and we can see here many tools. Then we select the shapes drop down menu. Now we want to insert square shape. Select the rectangle tool. Then press shift on our keyboard and draw the rectangle. Then go back again the tool section and select the move tool. Then move this shape. Now we can see this shape height and width is same, and we can see this is the square shape. You can change the shape color or shape outline or add more thing. Firstly, we change the shape color. Select the shape and click the fill option. You can change any color. Otherwise, you can add the outline color to this shape. Select the shape and select the stroke option. You can add many outline. Now I select the black color and select the white option. Then increase the white. Now we can see we insert square shape and add color, more thing very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.